So our control board on our fridge went out, and this little thing. These things are not cheap, $260. I'm going to show you how to wire it, because this right here was the culprit. The phone cable that came in, it actually got callywhacked, and it shorted out in there. I don't know if you can see that. It shorted out and it fried our control board. So this right here is 180. I didn't want to do one of these. So I'm going to show you how you wire it direct. So when you get it wired up, this is what it looked like. So you see I have my ground, main ground from the breaker, my positive. I've got a fuse on this, 15 amp fuse right here. And then I've got my positive to my fan, my negative to my fan, this blower fan right here. And then my green wire goes on C, my yellow wire goes on T. And these are just going to connect to my thermostat relay. When you're taking these off and on, there's a little pop off, these 3 connectors. And down here, there's a little screw on the side that holds it in.